Good afternoon, class. In today's class, we are going to talk about an essay which is helping us to score more than 7 bands. So, here is an exemplar. We are going to discuss about it. It is often argued that it is more advantageous to choose a job with high wages, even if it does not appeal to you at all. Appeal means something which gives us inner happiness. So, what exactly the meaning of this statement is? If we are getting a high job, a high salaried job, we are not internally being happy, but if we are getting the job according to our own choices, at that moment we are happy. So in this statement we have to tell about our own views. We are supposed to tell our views about whether we are agree or disagree with this statement. So let's start. In the beginning we are going to talk about the introduction, what we are supposed to write in introduction in this kind of essays. It is agreed that it is more advantageous to choose high wages even if we are not happy with our job. Sometimes it is argued that because of our own personal benefit, what we think we just get try to get the try to get the job which are on high salaries, but we are not internally happy with that kind of job. I completely disagree with this opinion and think that job satisfaction is much more important than the salary. But we feel like we are doing job for the sake of money, but internally if we are not happy, then there is no use of doing that kind of job. This was the introduction paragraph of this kind of essay. Okay, now we are moving to BP1. What we are supposed to write in BP1? First of all, I believe that job satisfaction gives people a sense of fulfillment. Fulfillment means like something which we get with our internal satisfaction. So job satisfaction gives the people a sense of internal happiness, like the feeling when we get something that no money guaranteed. Like we are getting something with that kind of job which we are internally ready to do, but we can get the happiness from that job, but money cannot guarantee it gives us that kind of happiness. Even if a person is earning high salary, see, if a person is getting high salary but feels tensed, the person is getting good salary but he or she is not internally happy, and he or she compromises with his conscience. Conscience means the feeling of, like the feeling through which we can come to know whether something is right or wrong. The person, he is like forcefully he is doing that job, he is compromising with his choices, but internally he is leaving everything. This person won't enjoy his life. He but forcefully he or she is doing the job, but internally he is not happy, and like he is not able to enjoy his life. While pursuing one's interest will always bring pleasure and feeling of satisfaction. If we are doing the job according to our own choice, we are internally very happy and we'll get the satisfaction through that. For example, a lot of famous research is made that the career choices their career choices not because of appealing wages, but because of their passionate about their choices. If a person is like willingly doing the job according to his own choices, then he becomes happy, rather than if he is like forcefully doing something, he is not internally happy. That is why it's more important to choose kind of work that makes you happy than to look only at the high salary. Don't think of just look at the salary at your job, but think about something when we are learning something new in our job. This was our BP1. Fine. Now we are going to talk about BP2. Whenever we are writing BP1, we are supposed to start everything with first of all. Start with first of all. Then we have written the like statement uh, with an example. Now we are moving to second BP. Whenever we are going to start any second BP, we are starting with the secondly. Doing this will keep you motivated and therefore leads to a career growth. If we are doing work according to our own choice, then we become motivated and therefore we leads to the career growth, that it brings growth also to in our career. In other words, there is a strong relation between job satisfaction and productivity. Productivity means the result of something. If we are working according to our own choice, then there is a strong relation between our job satisfaction and the result of that. People who love their jobs can easily excel in their field of work and achieve better results. The same thing which we have explained before, the people those who are working according to their own choices, they are easily excelling in their field and they work and they achieve better result than those who put salary on the first place. People those who are thinking about the salary only, they are not getting proper kind of result and they are not able to excel easily in their job. For instance, now we are going to instance mean for example, now we are going to discuss about a person who is Henry Miller. He is a famous writer. He decided to leave his job. He left his job. Why? Because he was not mentally happy with his job. So what he did, decide to leave his job despite a good wages. He was getting good wages from that. Even he was not internally happy. He was not getting proper kind of satisfaction. So he decided to leave his job and then ventured to become a writer. Ventured means he decided to become a writer, and after enduring means, and after spending lots of years of ups and downs, he had seen many ups and downs in his life, and became one of the most popular and well paid authors of the 20th century. He has seen many ups and downs in his life, and what happened after suffering from these kinds of things, still he worked very hard according to his choices, and he became the very well paid author of 20th century. So thus advantages of jobs keep you satisfied. Like with if we are happy with the job, we are internally very satisfied, and automatically will get the chance to learn something new daily. See, automatically if we are satisfied with the job, automatically day by day we'll get the chance to learn something new daily. So this was about BP2. We have discussed about introduction. What are we supposed to write in BP1, then BP2. Now we'll move to conclusion part. The conclusion part of this, to conclude, I strongly believe. What we are supposed to write in conclusion? Conclusion is mainly the summary of what we have written in both the two BPs. So now, what is the main thing which is discussed in these two BPs are, to conclude, I strongly believe. These are my beliefs that satisfaction is more beneficial than high salary. It is my belief that satisfaction in a job, that is much more beneficial than high salary, because it makes people happy and motivated. In conclusion part, we are supposed to write the summary of both the paragraphs and our own opinion about these two paragraphs. So same thing we have discussed. To conclude, I strongly believe that satisfaction is more beneficial than high salary, because it makes people happy and motivated, because with internal satisfaction we can remain happy and motivated every time. Thank you.